This is my dehumidifier that I had in my grow room. I'm not growing anything yet. I won't be for about another month. But right now I've got it set up here with the hose output, the drain hose, going into a glass jar, that mason jar that you see below on the shelf there. And it is producing. It's got about pretty good, it's dripping pretty good. So for the next month, I'll just use this water to water my plants that I'm starting off, seedlings. You can see there next to the dehumidifier grow tray, and there's 8 moringa tree seeds that I put in there to start off. So I'll use the water from this dehumidifier to water those seedlings as they develop, and also I'll use it for any other seeds that I'm growing.